So today is Friday, February 3rd, 2023. And just to give you a quick update on the real estate market, we have January stats that just came out, and it shows that there are 46% less closed sales in January 2023 compared to January 2022. And so you would imagine that with that many less sales, 46% less sales, that you would see uh, prices come down because there's just maybe not as many buyers out there. And so you reduce demand by that much. You would think that would have an impact on prices, but not the case. The prices have held very steady. Single family homes are flat year over year, and attached homes are up about 4.5% or so. The reason for that is that there still remains a lack of inventory, lack of homes for buyers to move on, and that's putting a floor on prices. We've seen interest rates go up from they were at about 3% last year, and now they're in the low sixes. So double in the mortgage rates in a year. But that has not had any material impact on prices because you're seeing inventory levels so low. And attached homes are actually 26% lower in terms of number of inventory in January compared to the year before. Single family home up about roughly 5% year over year. So a bit more inventory on the single family homes, but that's coming off of extremely low levels last year. So a lot of people have been saying, and the media has been saying how the housing market's not in good shape right now. It definitely depends on the region. Here in the Midwest region in the Chicagoland area, we didn't see those prices shoot up to the degree that they did in other parts of the country. So some of those areas that Boise or Tampa Bay that went up 40% are seeing a little bit of a pullback right now. But we're just not seeing that here. There still remains a lack of inventory. I do think that that'll start to change as we get into summer and fall of this year. I think we'll see more homes come on the market, but there's plenty of buyers out there waiting for a house. So there's definitely not an issue of lack of demand right now. It's the lack of inventory, and it's been this vicious cycle where because there's a lack of inventory, sellers are reluctant to put their house on the market because of the lack of options for them to move into. So once we see more inventory come on the market, I think that will then add to more inventory because people will be willing to put theirs on the market. So later this year, I think the inventory picture will be a little bit more balanced, but still, it's definitely in the seller's favor for the foreseeable future.